Ladies and gentlemen, itsmontez.com. Man, it's been a while since I've been on film and since you've seen me out in it's crazy. We are enjoying. We're out looking for roots. Let me show you a little something right here. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is called snake root. We are out about looking unique. Ladies and gentlemen, this is something new, and I'm so excited to bring you all along. It's Montez from itsmontez.com. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Gents. Alright, ladies and gents, I want you to take a look at this. This is a good time for education. Education, this is what we're about. Here's some wild ginger. Awesome. If you want to buy some, the link is in the description. We got it on deck all day. Anyway, I want you to look into this and see, can you spot it? Right. So, ginger and ginseng do start with a G, both the same, but they both grow together. So that's the task that I want you to know. They both start with G, they both grow together. Ladies and gents, it's Montez from itsmontez.com. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. If you don't do that, you can't keep up.